Okay, so this is question 15 for the November paper 1 2020. So it is a non-calc paper. We've got this very large apple pie. She cuts into slices. The smallest slice is cut first, and the volume of each successive slice of pie forms a geometric sequence. Second slice has a volume of 30. So we've got our first slice, which we'll call U1. Second slice is 30. Third, fourth, and the fifth slice has a volume of 240. Find the common ratio of the sequence. All right, well, this is U1, U2, U3, U4, U5. So U5, which is 240, is going to equal my U1. Actually, it'll equal U2 multiplied by R multiplied by R multiplied by R, so multiplied by R cubed. So 240 equals 30 R cubed. Divide both sides by 30, and I get 8 equals R cubed. So the common ratio is 2. For part B, we have to find the smallest piece of the pie. So we know that the second term is 30. Oops. The second term is 30, and the smallest piece is U1, so it's going to be 30 divided by 2. So it's going to be 15. 30 divided by 2. And the last part of this question, the apple pie has a volume of this amount, so that's the total amount. Find the total number of slices that she can cut. So again, we know U1 is 15. R is equal to 2. And we're saying that the sum of all of the slices, so if you imagine there's our small slice and then it's getting bigger each time, the sum of all of these is 61425. And I'm going to use my formula for the sum of the first n terms, which is this, and this will be given to you in the formula booklet. So 61425 is equal to U1, which is 15, multiplied by R to the n, so that's 2 to the n minus 1 over 2 minus 1. So 61425 equals 15 times 2 to the n minus 1. Now this is a non-calc, so I'm going to divide both sides by 15, 61425 over 15 is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1. Now 61425 divided by 15, divide top and bottom by 5. I'm going to get 3 on the bottom, divide 61425 by 61425 by 5. 5, 12s are 60. 5. Sorry, let me just set that out a bit clearer. Otherwise, I know I will make a mistake. 61425. 5 into 6 goes once, 1 left over. 5 2s are 10, 1 left over. 5 2s are 10, 4 left over. 5 8s are 40, 2 left over, and I get 1, 8, 5. Now, is this divisible by 3? 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, so 1, 2, 2, 8, 5 is also divisible by 3. 1, 2, 2, 8, 5. 3 4s are 12. 3 9s are 27, with 1 left over. 3 5s are 15. So 4095 is equal to 2 to the n minus 1. So to finish it off, add 1 to both sides. You get 4096 is equal to 2 to the n. So 2 to the power of what number is 4096? So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32, times 2 is 64, times 2 is 128, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Times by 2 gives me 256. Times by 2 again gives me... Alright, times by 2 again is 512. Times by 2 is 1024. Times by 2 is 2048. Times by 2 is 4096. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So n is equal to 12, okay? And I would keep your powers of 2 in mind, okay? So you can quickly work through that. I'm not saying that you need to remember it, but you should recognize that 4096 is 2 to the power of something at least, okay?